So basically today is to fit the siren that I've had to get specially made and coloured to suit the her decor, her architect, basically to suit her. She's not 100% happy. Sorry, I've got to keep on looking where I'm walking, and it's quite a nice gravel drive down to this structure. Oh, there's a bell box cable. The bell box cable's going up there. This is the structure. Okay, and it's a studio. You just got a big shot of my gut. Okay, so basically it's all zinc, etc. I don't know how much of that you got because I couldn't actually see where I was showing the camera. But we're going to put it into engineer mode. I've got to put an additional siren, sorry, an additional detector up, and like I said, we've got to put that cable into a bell box and etc, etc. Invoicer. Okay, right, into the building. There's my stuff ready, right, etc. That's the detector that I've got to fit, not your normal HKC. However, you'll see that it's had to be painted for the customer. Oop, drop something on the floor there. So we're going to put that in there. Well, I can't walk on the floor. As you can see, there's already one up there. That one's going to go over there to give it dual protection. I'll be back. Right, I said on some of my previous videos that I do use ferrules. I've just opened up the panel and you can see that I've already done these ferrules. I have to cut them off a little bit short so they actually fit up into the terminals there. But I do it, but I don't do it in the bell box, because by the time you've took off this lid, put the camera down for this. Yeah, no. But by the time you just haven't got that gap in there, along there, you can't get the ferrules in and get the cable in. It puts too much strain on it, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, so we're back to the control panel. We'll be doing it in there, fitting everything in that box there. Anyway, I'll be back in a bit. Right, I'm back. Customers bought me a cup of fresh brewed coffee and a cafetiere. Right, it took me a little bit longer than I expected. Put that on there so it don't fall. So I've had to connect the siren onto a wireless panel using hard wires. It's the HKC quantum panel, etc. So I wired it as per the, well, I just know how to wire it anyway. I wired it as the manufacturer's instructions. You have to put a resistor in series with the tamper, and that has to go in the bell box to give it proper protection. The one thing I didn't allow for is the rain, which took me a little bit longer backwards. I don't want to get water on my feet because this is a dance studio. I've got my protectors on here. So in a nutshell, I've had to put this up as well. This is a Joltec. I think I've showed it on previous videos that I've had to paint them. So basically, all the detectors in there, I've had to paint black, as you can see. Up there, we got an impact detector and a contact. Basically, we got overlapping protection, one Joltec, and one passive as per the standards. Shouldn't put two of the same technology in. You can put two dual techs in, but they have to be at a different frequency, etc. Put the Wi-Fi in. As you can see there, that's Ubiquity. It's a managed network, and we're getting about, from the house, which is probably 90 meters away, we're getting a speed of about 168 megabits per second, which is damn sight faster than they've got in the house. Now they've got BT Wi-Fi extenders in the house, but obviously it's not managed. You can get them off the shelf. Well, you can get these off the shelf as well, but it depends on whose shelf you get them off. I ordered them from a company called Foregone. Never had to use the technical support, but basically you can set them up off your phone. You can set users up. You can set up a VLAN if you want to do that. What else have you got? You've got two networks, 2.4 I think it is, and 5. Yeah, I think it is. I think it's 2.4 and 5. Can't remember off by heart. Yeah, and we've got 168 megabytes down here. Can't show you the speed because I haven't got my laptop with me. I can do it on the phone, but I'm actually talking on the phone. Right, so I know you haven't actually seen me doing any work, but that's what I've been doing up there. I've been doing the bell outside. I've got a bit wet. Can't video while it's raining outside. I don't want to put my phone at any jeopardy. Anyway, till next time. See ya, bye.